Hello everyone, A&P Adventures here. I'm Patrick.
And I'm Aaron.
And we're so glad that you're with us today on this very special edition of Subway Sundays. Every Sunday we put up a new subway station and show off the art and from that particular station, and we love doing it. Hey, listen, if you don't already subscribe to us, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notifications so that you know when we add up a new tour.
Also, if you want to see more of these Subway Sundays, we're going to put that link up in the screen right now. Boom!
Just like magic.
Yeah, no. So today we are down in Lower Manhattan. The loud truck behind us, so rude. And we're going to show off Fulton Street.
That's right.
You know what? Let's just get going.
Let's go.
Here we go. All right, so we're in Lower Manhattan. We're going to be entering at Fulton and William into the Fulton Street subway station. And as you can see as we enter, there are a lot of subway stations here. It's a major connecting spot. Yeah. And we're going to be seeing these nautically themed ceramic lunettes. A lunette is a half-moon shaped architectural piece. And these were created by Fred Dana Marsh in 1913, and they depict 6 historic waterfront scenes in the New York Harbor and the rivers that feed into them.
Now, the first one that we're seeing is Robert Fulton's North River Steamboat, later known as Clermont. The Clermont was widely regarded as the world's first vessel to demonstrate the viability of using steam propulsion for commercial water transportation.
Now, all of these murals, they were originally installed in the old McAlpin Hotel on Herald Square. And as we head down the stairs here, you're going to see a plaque indicating Fred Dana Marsh's name and the Marine Gate murals and the gate. We're going to talk about the gate here in just about a minute. But these were all in the old McAlpin Hotel. Now, the McAlpin Hotel was 25 stories high. It could accommodate 2,500 guests. It included a large Turkish bath and plunge pool that covered the entire 24th floor, fully equipped hospital, an in-house orchestra. Now, here's a picture of where the murals were located. You can see we're zooming in right here on that half-moon-shaped mural there in the background.
Really cool.
Yeah. That's the restaurant. It was originally called the Rathskeller, and they changed the name to the Marine Grill because those murals were so popular. Now, here's that famed ironwork entrance gate that was also preserved. So this would have been the entrance to the restaurant. The murals, by the way, are all comparable to the subway system's historic medallions and plaques, a lot of which were made by the Atlantic Terracotta Company.
That gate, it really classes up the subway station.
It does, yeah. It makes it a little classier.
Yeah.
Should we head inside?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, here we go. We're going to tap and make our way in. So we're going to make our way down to the mezzanine level. Now, before we do that, we get a fun little light installation. Here we go. Ready to enjoy?
Okay, so we have made our way down to the mezzanine, and this first mural that we're going to see is of the 1908 Fall River Line steamer called the Commonwealth. This one it's shown leaving for its journey up the East River to Long Island Sound, and it's headed for Fall River, Massachusetts. It's really, really cool. I love that they have saved these and repurposed them in such a cool way. And then the next mural is this depicts a British warship that is firing her cannons at the city, and this is called Man of War ship.
I like that you said her cannons, and it's a man of worship, so it really should be, in your case, a woman of
a woman of war.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so now we move to the center. So there's 2 on either side, and then 1 right there in the center you can see. And chronologically, this actually would be our first scene of the 6 murals. So this shows the Native Americans paddling their canoes out to meet the Half Moon ship, which was the ship Henry Hudson sailed for the Dutch. That would be in 1609. And those Native Americans, that would be the Lenape tribe, the Native Americans here in Manhattan. And you can even see the little sliver of the moon there on Henry Hudson's ship, the Half Moon, right up there. Yeah. Now we're back to the top of the stairs, and as we look to the side, you can see the 1906 RMS Mauritania's, the flagship of the Cunard Line. There's an actual picture of it. It was maneuvered by tugboats in the mural there. Now RMS stands for Royal Mail Ship, and this ocean-going vessel was the largest until 1911 and the fastest until 1929. Quite a major ship there. Right next to it, this is our final mural we're going to show off. This depicts the Dutch sailing ships that were docked in New Amsterdam. So New Amsterdam obviously became New York. So they would be docked, as you can see right here in an old image, in essentially what is now New York Bay or New York Harbor. On the lower part of Manhattan, where we're at right now. So,
right.
you know, as we often say, a lot of the artwork is sort of resembles what's above ground as well.
Yeah.
So why are they all here? Well, they were dismantled tile by tile after a developer converted the building, the McAlpin Hotel, to condos in the late 70s. They were piled into unsorted crates, shipped to a transit authority bus garage, and there a group of interns spent an entire summer piecing the tiles back together like a jigsaw puzzle. And they were installed into this location in 2000 and then removed in 2011. Incredible that they did this.
It really is,
Yeah.
and you know, we have those interns to thank. Now all these commuters get to enjoy these really beautiful art pieces.
Yeah, Fred Dana Marsh, by the way, was an American artist and illustrator. Attended the School of Art Institute in Chicago, relocated to Paris, where he married Alice Randall, another Art Institute alum, and they eventually relocated to New York. He died in 1961, but his work here still lives on.
Love it.
Yeah.
Well, if you've watched any of our tours before, you know something we love is repurposing, and I love that they did that at this station.
Yeah.
They took this old art and gave it new life in the subway
Which is
station.
such a cool thing. And if you've done any of our other Subway Sunday tours, so many of the subway stations here in New York City are really cool tiles or mosaics. And I love how they've done this with this particular subway station.
Yeah.
And shown these really cool art pieces and saved them. you
Yeah.
know, as Aaron said. So
Listen, if you like this video, give us a like, subscribe, leave us a comment. How about it?
all the things.
Yeah.
You know what to do.
And join us for any of our other Subway Sundays. By all means, we'll put one up every single Sunday. And again, I'm Aaron.
And I'm Patrick.
And we're A&P Adventures. Thanks for joining us.